Hello, welcome back to another Brett Craig video on the channel. We've been doing quite a lot of these and we're going to try and stop the train once again. I'm starting off with the tank. I think it's pretty good. Also I found out how to turn on comments, so make sure to go down there and tell me if you like this series so far. It could be a potential series. Never know, never know. This is so fast. It's a French army tank, that's what it said. And every time I start recording, it rains. Oh, it's snowing. Oh, okay then. It's snowing. Well, it's never sunny, and this is when I'm recording. Anyways, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications for for updates on Mondays and Thursdays, because I'm on my first channel on the other days. Alright, here we go. Let's get out the tank. Then I go this way. This is really hard to get here. It's so cloudy. Why is it so cloudy? Right, I'm gonna turn around. Come on, hurry up, turn around, hurry up. Right, so now I'm looking at it. Hopefully, actually I'm just gonna use my mouse. So it's over there. The tank is over here. I actually accidentally ran into a fence when I was running down this road. And yeah, it's really strong. Is this a train? It's a train coming. Hopefully it stops it. Oh wow, it didn't. It just didn't. Wow. Also, make sure to comment any video ideas for my first channel. It's football related and it's SPFL. So make sure to comment any video ideas because I'm seriously running out. So let's get another vehicle. Right, so I'm gonna see what ones we haven't tried. Well, we tried to get this one, but it didn't work. Oh, I do not know what one to choose. I'm gonna go with this one here. So it looks pretty sturdy, so hopefully it works. I forgot how to. Wait, is it this? Yes, it is. Alright, so now we are going to the train track. Hopefully the train isn't here yet. Because that would not be good. It doesn't look like it's here. So that is pretty good. Stop! No. I'm gonna go backwards. I might actually try to do it the other way, if you know what I mean. Right, so now stop. Yes, that's good. That's good. Oh, the train's there. Quick. Go. Turn around quick. Go backwards. Oh my, I nearly got crushed. But I didn't, so that's good. Oh. Wow, that was a close one. That was a real close one. Okay, so now it's raining. Every time I start recording, it always gets some weather. It's so annoying. It always starts off sunny, and then it's all this rainy stuff. But let's get a different vehicle now. I think maybe the secret is getting small cars, maybe? I don't think so. I'm gonna try, what's this? A police. That's known for going fast. Well, I think I might try this again because it didn't work, but I think it might work. Getting it up the gears as possible. Gear 8, sorry. Right, so turning left. Hopefully, oh my gosh, it's so dark on the screen. Why is it so dark? Right, so now turn in this way. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Right. Oh, it's working. It's actually working. It's not going to go any further, which is okay. Okay, let's see this. It looks like it's pretty strong. Oh, here's the train. Here it is. It's gonna be coming. Oh, I thought it stopped it. I thought it stopped it for a minute. Oh my, that is very explodey. Well, so let's get this open again. I think we should do. What about the van? What about the van? Wait, I'm pretty sure this one goes on land. I'm sure this one goes on land. I'm sure it does. Here we go. No, I don't want that. No. Try. Ugh, who cares? Oh my gosh, wow. I didn't think it would be too big as in that big. Jeez, that is massive. Oh no. Look at this, is it gonna stop it? Still, at least it's on the tracks. I'm gonna try and get out. Where is it? This is so hard to see. It's right there. I'm trying to get off. I can't get off the track. I can't get off it. It's not letting me. I'm trying to go. It's not letting me get off the track. Are you serious? This could be the end of the video. Oh no! What just happened? Well. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Over here, click here if you want to see another video. Click here to go to my first channel, and click here for this channel. Until next time, it's obviously next time. Sorry about that, but until next time, goodbye.